Prove that tan A by 1 minus cot A plus cot A by 1 minus tan A equals 1 plus tan A plus cot A. So here, see, tan A, I'll change in terms of like LHS. Tan A I'll write as sin A by cos A by 1 minus cot A I'll write as cos A by sin A plus cot A is cos A by sin A, cot is cos by sin, 1 minus tan is sin A by cos A. Here, one more step, just I'll take LCM, sin A by cos A. In the denominator, the LCM is sin A. So here I need to multiply sin A here. So sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A, plus numerator as it is cos A by sin A, and here in the denominator if I'll take LCM, which is cos A, so here I'll get cos A minus sin A. Now numerator, first I'll write numerator, which is sin A by cos A into this denominator I'll write as multiplication, so it will become reciprocal, sin A by sin A minus cos A plus numerator as it is cos A by sin A into cos A by cos A minus sin A, cos A minus sin A. Now see next step here. Sin A into sin A, which is sin square A by cos A into sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A, and here cos square A by sin A into, see this part, here it was cos A minus sin A, and here it is sin A minus cos A. So this cos A minus sin A I'll write as sin A minus cos A. So outside here it was plus, now it will become minus, because see here, if it is A minus B and minus B plus A, both are same. But in the second step, if we'll take minus common, like B minus A, minus of B minus A. So if you want to write A minus B as B minus A, then we'll get here minus. So that's why this plus term I wrote here like minus, because I wrote cos A minus sin A as sin A minus cos A, so that the LCM part will be easy here. Like the LCM part, see here in the denominator, there's sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A, they are same. So because of that, now next step I'll take LCM for both the terms. Here LCM is cos A, LCM is cos A into sin A minus cos A into sin A, because here we have two times, just you can write only one, these both are same. So now see, if you observe here, here you have cos A sin A minus cos A, so cos A sin A minus cos A, so here you need to multiply sin A. So if you will multiply sin A into sin square, so it will become sin cube A minus, if you will observe here, sin A into sin A minus cos A, so we need to multiply cos for this, so it will become cos cube A. So here I'll use the formula A cube minus B cube, which is nothing but A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB. I'll use this identity. So the numerator part will be sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A into sin square A plus cos square A plus sin A cos A. Denominator as it is, which is cos A into sin A minus cos A into sin A. So here sin A minus cos A and sin A minus cos A will get cancelled. Now see, if you want this answer, this one, so in a hurry just don't write for this sin square plus cos square as 1, you don't write, just write as it is. So sin square A plus cos square A plus sin A cos A by cos A sin A. Now split here only everything, like see, sin square A by cos A sin A plus second term cos square A by cos A sin A plus sin A cos A by cos A sin A. So now see, if you simplify further, you will directly end up with the answer now. Here one sin and one sin will get cancelled. So sin by cos is nothing but tan A. One cos cancel. So cos by sin is nothing but cot A. Here sin, cos, everything cancel 1. So this is the required answer. Suppose sometimes they'll ask another answer for this same question. They may ask this one: 1 plus secant A cosec A. So to get this answer, here sin square plus cos square, here in this step, sin square plus cos square, just write 1. So I'll write that step. So here, if we'll take this step, sin square A plus cos square A plus sin A cos A by cos A sin A. Now for this, if you write 1, because sin square plus cos square is 1, 1 plus sin A cos A by cos A sin A. So if you split now, 1 by cos A into sin A plus sin A into cos A by cos A into sin A. So here both will get cancelled. 1 by cos theta is sec A and 1 by sin is cosec A, and here it is plus 1. So this is one more answer. They may ask this also as to prove.